Hi, and welcome to my TITA Talk. Today we're going to be talking about transducers. Transducers convert one form of energy into another. During transmission, which is our talking time, it converts electrical energy to sound, and during reception, reflected sound is converted to electricity. There are 7 components to a transducer. The first is a case. This is a cylindrical tube of metal or plastic that protects the internal components of the transducer. This also insulates patients from the electrical shock. Next, we have the electrical shield, which is a thin metallic barrier lining the inside of the case. This helps prevent electrical noise that can contaminate the signals of the image that's created. We also have the acoustic insulator. This is also a thin barrier of cork or rubber that also isolates internal components of the transducer from the case. This prevents vibrations in the case from inducing electrical voltage in the PZT of the transducer. The PZT is next. This is also called the active element. The piezoelectric crystal is shaped like a coin, and the characteristics of the sound beam are related to the dimensions of an active element. The PZT is 1/2 of the wavelength. Another component is the wire. This provides the electrical connection between the PZT and the system. The transducer also has a matching layer. This increases the efficiency of sound energy transfer between active elements in the body. This also protects the active element. The matching layer aims to create as much of a skin-type material to reduce the acoustic impedance mismatch. The matching layer is 1/4 the wavelength thick. Lastly, we have the backing material. This is bonded to the active element. This reduces the ringing of the PZT, which reduces the spatial pulse length and improves axial resolution. Some characteristics of the backing material is that it has a high degree of sound absorption and it has a similar acoustic impedance to the PZT. Some disadvantages of the backing material is that it has a low quality factor, a decrease in sensitivity, and a wide bandwidth. A bandwidth is the range of frequencies within a pulse. The bandwidth is the difference between the highest and the lowest frequency. Pulse wave transducers have wide bandwidth, which calls for a lower frequency and shorter durations. Pulse wave transducers have characteristic elements that determine the frequency